Class 4A and Class 4B have a total of 72 pupils. 1/4 of the pupils in Class 4A and 2/5 of the pupils in Class 4B are boys. The number of girls in Class 4A and 4B is the same. Keywords, box this out. Highlight this, okay? Find the total number of girls in both classes. Now, to do this, we employ the equal concept. So we proceed to Class 4A and we write down the boys. Boys will be 1/4, right? And we can also find the fraction of girls. 1/2 minus 1/4, that will be 3/4. Do the same thing for Class 4B. Boys will take up 2/5. Girls will take up 1/2 minus 2/5, which will be 3/5. Alright, so they have said that the girls should be the same. Okay, in fact, we have very nicely put it as 3/4 and 3/5, and the numerator is already the same. So what we write down is this: 3/4 of 6A students will be the same as 3/5 of 6B students, and we just need to make sure the numerator is the same. In this case, very nicely, it's the same. We don't have to do any multiplication, and this immediately tells us that in 6A there are 4 units of pupils, and in 6B there are 5 units of pupils. 4 plus 5, in total there are 9 units of pupils. 9 units will be equals to total of 72 pupils, and we can find 1 unit. 72 divided by 9, that will be 8. Okay, and for 6A there are 3 units of girls, 6B also 3 units. So 3 plus 3, that will be a total of 6 units of girls. 6 times 8 to give us a final answer of 48 pupils. How many girls are there in both classes? 48 girls is our final answer.